Hi friends, welcome to eCareer Plus channel. In this video, today we are going to see how to fix the volume down key problem and how to fix the safe mode issue. Here I am having a Samsung mobile phone which has safe mode problem. First I will explain you what is safe mode problem. This safe mode option will be there in all Android phones. When safe mode is enabled, except inbuilt apps, no apps will function. For example, you can see this mobile phone. Here lots of apps are being installed in this phone. While touching the downloaded apps, you can see the pop-up. It shows downloaded apps will be disabled on safe mode. So to use these apps, I have to come out of the safe mode first. First, I will show you how to enable the safe mode. Click the power button. These three options will be displayed. In that, click long press on power off button. So now safe mode is enabled. To disable the safe mode, click on that notification and click on turn off. Now the phone will restart. Once the phone is on, the safe mode will be disabled. But in this mobile phone, even after restart, the safe mode is still enabled. That is the issue of this phone. The reason is there is a problem in these volume keys. Because of this problem only the safe mode is not able to disabled. I have tried factory reset option and also flashed the mobile, but it doesn't work. Then only I identified there is an issue in volume keys. Here you can see when I'm clicking the volume up button, it's increasing, but when I'm pressing the volume down button, it is not working. So that is the reason for this safe mode issue. Because of this problem, when I'm restarting the phone, the safe mode enables automatically. So I'm unable to use the apps which I installed. You may ask me, how did you find that there is a problem in volume down key particularly? I will tell you the trick. There is a code for it. This code will differ for every mobile phone based on the brand. Technicians used to say this as a secret code. For this mobile phone, the code is *#0*#. Once you dial the code, the screen will display. It will show all the hardware option in your mobile phone. You can check it. Now I'm going to click on the sub key. Sub key is nothing but all the external button like a power button, volume up button, down button, fingerprint sensor, everything will be included in sub key. When you click on the keys, the color will change for every button. You can see that here. It means those keys are working properly. Here you can see I'm pressing the power button, the color changes to red. When I press the volume up button, the color changes to white. But when I click the volume down button, there is no change. So this is how I found there is a problem in volume down key. According to this phone, there is two problems. First one is the phone restarts on safe mode. The second one is the problem in volume down key. Now we can see how to fix these issues. First, I have to dismantle this phone and I have to check the connectivity lines. In this mobile phone, the buttons are given in back cover. Nowadays, most of the phones are being designed like this only. Here you can see the volume up button and down button and power button. This is the connecting pin of these keys. In mobile phone board, you can see this connecting pad. This connecting pad will be connected with that connector in back case. These 2 pin and these 3 pins are the connecting points. First, I have to find out the power button pin. To find that, I'm going to check with multimeter. Set the multimeter on 20 voltage DC. I'm grounding the black probe. Then I'm placing the positive probe on the first pin. It shows no value, so that is the ground pin. The second pin shows 3.7 plus value, so that is the power voltage of power button. Next, I'm going to check the pins at the bottom. The first pin shows 1.69, merely 1.7 value. The second pin shows 0.37 value. The third pin shows no value. So this is the ground pin for volume buttons. Positive pin, negative pin and ground pins will be given separately for power button and volume buttons. Based on this only, the connector is given here on back case. When I checked the first pin, it showed 1.69, merely 1.7 value, and the second pin showed 0.37 value. The first pin is for volume up button, which showed 1.69 voltage. The second pin is for volume down button, which showed 0.36. So the problem is there in this pin only, because the voltage value has to be same. If there is 1.69 voltage in volume up button, means the same voltage should be there in volume down button also. But in volume down button pin, it shows 0.36 voltage value only. So there is a problem in track line of volume down pin. So now I'm going to find out the track line of volume down pin. Here you can see these are the components being near to the volume pins. So I'm going to check these components to find out the track line. In zoom you can see the components. This is the volume up and volume down and ground pins. For these pins, the track line will come here only. On continuity mode, keep one probe on volume up pin and check the components with other probe. First, I'm checking this one. You can hear the beep sound. So the track line is coming. Then I'm going to check the volume down pin. Here, volume down pin's track line is coming. So the power voltage line coming to the volume pins through these components only. So voltage drop occurred because of problem in this track line. Because when I checked in volume up button, it showed 1.67 voltage. When I checked on volume down pin, it showed 0.37 voltage only. To fix this issue, I'm going to do jumper. Before that, I'm going to short to check the component. I'm shorting the power pins by using tweezers. Now dial the code *#0*#. Now going to the sub key option. Before, when I checked volume down key, the color doesn't change. Now directly I'm going to short the capacitor with volume down key and ground key. While shorting, we can check whether the color is changing or not. Because of continuity, I hope the color will change. I will show you now. At corner, you can see the display image. Now the display is on violet color. Before checking the volume keys, first I'm pressing the power button. The color is changed, you can see that. Next, I'm going to short the volume up button. The color has changed to white. To short the volume down button, keep the multimeter on continuity mode. Now I'm placing one probe on capacitor, the another one on volume keys. The color has changed to green. So the volume down key is working. Here I'm going to show you the working condition of volume keys. First I'm going to show you the volume up key. It's working. You can see that on the top. Next I'm going to check the volume down key, but it is not working. So now I'm going to short the volume down keys. You can see the volume is decreasing. If I do jumpering between these pins, the volume down key will work, and also the safe mode issue will be solved. In this video, we saw that how to find the how to solve the volume down key issue and safe mode problem. The jumpering is not only the solution to safe mode problem, it is also for any other volume keys issues. Thank you for watching. Bye.